Greetings, Mark Bowden. As I can see, we have a desktop computer here, so we're going to string it up with some stuff. Right, as I can see right here, this itself is the VGA port right here. Yes, so this is one of the stuff that we're going to be using so far. The next thing we're going to be using is a mouse. Yes, to plug in to it. The next thing we're going to be using right here is a keyboard to plug into it so far. Alright, very important. Then the next thing we're going to be using is the power strip, which is this. Alright, so let us get it go. Just notice right here, this is where the power. We're going to put the power strip. So if you notice right here, the edge right here, we're going to push it in just like this. When you push it in now, alright, so we're going to put this wire right around here. Now, we're going to put in the VGA, which is this one there. So this is what I use to connect to the monitor, right? So this is where it's going to go right here. So we're going to put it, you know, just have two things them where you can't shut the screw. So we're going to put it on right there, screw it up, and then you turn this to section right here, turn it. Alright, so this is actually finished. Alright, so the next thing we're going to put in right here, this is the keyboard. So we want to rest it up here a bit. Alright, so this is USB port, we're going to actually put it in. Alright, so we're going to plug it in here, just like that. Now we're going to actually look for the mouse right here. We're going to plug it in just like that. Right side here. Let's take a time with it. Plug it in. Right, so therefore, what would you do? You see this section now, you plug it in at the back of the monitor. Then this section, you plug it in at the power wire. And then you can turn on the system, and there you go.